Wow！
我哋就都恭喜大家收睇側田幼玲食飽飯未？見了未？食飽飯未？食飽了未？好啦，今日就諗到要提早同大家做 live 啦，所以如果你哋今日有睇我前幾日個 posting 睇呢個啫就知啦嚇。我哋通常我哋同我哋屋企人啊，或者係我哋自己啊，或者我哋同嗰啲90後 Gen Z 啦，所以我哋通常會用啲咩字嚟同大家溝通，會用啲咩 slang 嘅，所以今日咧會同大家傾下 ，OK？ 咁就唔會阻大家太多嘅時間啦嚇，好似上次咁樣，好似上個禮拜咁樣 ，OK？So 所以如果你哋有咩問題想問關於今日嘅呢個話題，可以留低你哋嘅口信喺呢度，咁一陣間我會同大家一齊一一嘅解答 ，OK？ 俾你哋1分鐘嘅時間，6:39我哋可以開始啦喂。所以我會俾你哋幾個 example， 咁就因為我都諗到唔會之前唔想拖大家太長嘅時間咁啦，係啦 ，OK？ 係啦，講翻呢幾日咧，其實呢幾日嘅天氣變咗凍咗好多喎，因為就一直落水啊，半夜又落水啊，下晝落水啊，so 因為要近12月咗啦，我覺得都係唔知啦，依家好難估啲天氣，有可能2月過年同埋過3晚開始有可能會熱翻呢，好難講，有可能會落水嘅噃，好難講，因為之前有試過年嘅時候。年初二嘅時候會落水嘅噃，雖然唔係好大啦，but you know 會落水啦。好啦，可以開始啦。So 同大家研究下，同埋同大家分享下，我哋每一個年代用嘅 slang 係點㗎啦嚇。OK， 首先咧就講下，我俾你哋大家5個 example 啦嚇。So 頭一個 example 就係、通常屋企人咧會講 yeah，OK， 咁我哋會講 yes， 其實係一樣嘅意思，只不過。耶咧，如果我冇估錯咧，因為之前我有研究美國嘅英文同埋我哋英國嘅英文，因為英國嘅英文通常唔會用耶嘅，係美國嘅英文先至會用耶嘅啫，係啦。咁英國嘅英文咧就會用 yes 嘅 I 咁樣，即係講會用比較有冇話比較正統啦，只不過 British style 有 British style 嘅英文，美國有美國嘅英文咁樣啫啦。So 通常 British style 會講 yes 多過於會用 yeah， 通常係美國人會用多嘅。So 因為可以咁講，因為以前我哋啲屋企人係有大多數都係讀英文書嘅，所以佢哋如果會用 yeah 都唔出奇啦。OK，So Gen Z 嘅人咧就會講 ye， 係咪咧？你話俾我聽下，因為我冇咩聽到有 Gen Z 嘅人會咁講咧，或者 Gen Z 嘅人咁講，我唔知啦。通常咧，我哋嘅屋企人咧會用 yeah， 我哋會用 yes， 咁佢哋係咪真係會用 ye？ 我唔清楚啦。OK， 呢次就不成實報。OK， 接落嚟再講第二個example 就係、我哋屋企人會講可射了，其實就係福建話嚟嘅。咁我哋會講 shag， 咁我又好少用 shag 嘅，我就講。通常我哋廣東人會點講呢？之前我哋會講，有咁撞彩咩？或者係有咁好運氣咩？之前講有咁幸運咩？係啦，通常會咁講啦。咁 Gen Z 嘅人會講 off， 係咪呢？我唔知，你哋話俾我聽。總之呢，今日我哋所傾嘅嘢呢，我哋大家都可以攞嚟做一個。傾之前，我哋可以做大家可以傾下偈咁樣，我做一個討論嘅，就話係咪你哋都平時會用呢啲字嚟同大家講嘢嘅？ So 我哋大家嚟做一個研究咁樣啦。OK， 呢個係第2個 example。第三個 example 又係福建話，呢個又叫度講。咁我哋會講咩呢？我哋講仔，我唔知啊。通常我自己唔會咁講啦。度講我又唔會咯，因為睇 你個環境所影響，睇你會用啲咩字嘅。咁咧Gen Z 嘅會用 good 嘅喎，係咪咧？我又好少聽喎，你哋話俾我聽。OK， 好啦，之後我哋嚟到第四隻啊，呢個肯定有好多人都會講嘅。第四隻咧，我哋屋企人咧會講 boleh，OK， 咁我哋咧會講 steady 㗎，咁我會好少用 steady 啦，我會講come on， 我會參嘅come on， 定啲嚟啦，通常我哋講定啲嚟啦 ，OK， 咁 Gen Z 嘅人咧就係講 Gucci， 我又好少人聽到人咁，我通常會聽到人講 steady 多啲，即係同我哋嘅用嘅方法都係咁上下啦，我唔知啦，你話俾我聽 ，OK， 之後一個 example 就係哇哈哈，即係我哋會講嗰啲笑聲啊，咁老人家通常會講哇哈哈，咁我通常如果我哋喺 Messenger 或者我哋 WhatsApp 我哋會講 我哋會寫 LOL 嘅意思係咩意思啊 ？Laugh out loud 呢啲嘢我都係慢慢學嘅，我以前都唔識嘅，我就同我啲Gen Z 啲親戚啊或者啲朋友，你哋知道咩叫 LOL 冇？Laugh out loud 或者 IDK 咩意思 ？I don't know something like that OK， so 佢哋會講 DED I don't know you may tell me OK I think that's the example that I would like to share with you guys OK so 唔會拖大家好多時間，咁依家我轉頭㗎啦噃 so actually today I would like to share with you guys our slang OK because between different generations we use different slang. For example, our parents will use a different one, we will use a different one, and Gen Z will use a different one. So let me give you some examples, okay? For example, yeah, our parents will use yeah, but us we will use yes, okay? And then the Gen Z will use yeet. I don't know, maybe you can tell me because usually because when I first approached English, right? Only I know that actually there are some differences between American English and British English, okay? Usually British English will say yes rather than say yeah. Yeah is actually American English, so I don't know, maybe some of the parents we are English educated, so that's why they use yeah, I guess, okay? But I will use yes because more to British English, okay? So this is the first example. The second example is 好死了, okay? Usually our parents will say that. But us, we will say shit. But you see, I don't say shit. I say,有咁好彩咩 I will use I will speak in Cantonese because I'm a Cantonese, so I will use Cantonese most of the time. Okay. But our Gen Z people, our Gen Z friends will use OOF. I don't know. Maybe you can tell me, is it true that you guys will use OOF? I don't know. Maybe we can have some discussion. You may leave a message below and let me know. Okay. The next example is Tok Kong. Okay, usually our parents would like to use Hokkien most of the time, but sometimes I won't. I will use Hokkien when I speak in Hokkien because my mom is a Hainanese, so definitely I know how to speak Hokkien, but 20% of Hainanese, yes, yeah. And we will use Zai. I don't know, I don't use Zai a lot. I don't know, you may tell me. Gen Z will use goat. Tell me, I have no idea because I don't really hear that often, okay? So you may tell me, okay? So our next example will be boleh. Usually our parents will say that, okay? And then us actually will say steady. Steady pom pipi, okay? For myself, I will say something in Cantonese, for example, like 平啲嚟啦，冇嘢㗎啦, okay? Usually I will say that, okay? And for Gen Z, maybe they will say Gucci. I heard that like once in a while, but I'm not sure. You tell me? Okay? So the last example that I'm going to share, which is mwahaha, because usually our parents will use it in that way, in a more direct way. But us, we will use LOL, law. Actually, law means that laugh out loud, okay? So sometimes we use it like when we use Messenger, we use WhatsApp, then usually we will use that word, okay? And then Gen Z will use DED. So I'm not really sure. Maybe you can tell me, okay? I think that's all our discussion for today. Next week I will be taking an off, okay? So if you have any question regarding today's topic, you may just leave a message below and let me know, okay? So 今日我哋就傾住咁多，有啲咩問題想問，或者有啲咩想傾，或者有啲咩想分享，就留低你嘅口述話俾我聽。我哋今日個話題 ，OK？ 所以我哋再一個禮拜我哋再見㗎啦噃，ขอบคุณมากครับ，เจอกันแล้วทุกคน